I know how frustrating it's been trying to create a PayPal account that actually works in Ghana. Whether it's for online shopping, freelancing, or receiving payments. But guess what? There's a new method that's 100% working in 2025, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step.
Firstly, go to Google Chrome Incognito and type in paypal.com. On the paypal.com app, if you're using a phone, scroll down. You see a US flag. Click on it. After clicking on that US flag, you see so many countries. So choose Togo. After choosing Togo, it will lead you to a different URL. And the URL should be like this. On the home screen, click on Open Business Account. So create a business account. First name, fill your first name, last name. Then with the code, country code, choose Ghana, GH233. Then type your number, type your email address, and choose a password per the instructions given. Yes, so once you are done filling the forms, click on Agree and Create Account. They will send you a code to the number that you provided during the filling of information or the filling of the forms. Yeah, so just type in the code, the 4 digits that you received. PayPal will then ask you to activate your account to start the PayPal. So here choose individual or sole proprietor. Once you choose this form, they will ask you to fill some forms again. Yeah. So choose business type, choose individual. Then fill the forms. Use the same details that you used. And this one, they tell you to make sure everything that you are filling is or can be found on your government ID.
Yeah, so your name, your last name, your country, choose Ghana, then your country code and your phone number, all Ghana details, yes. An address line, you can just make up any address, then choose any city. Yeah. So just continue filling the forms. On this next step, they will ask you about your business organization. So just type in your full legal name. You can make something up. Yeah, about the business registration number too. You can make something up. I chose the primary currency for the business as US dollars. Yeah. And yes, they will ask you some questions. Just choose some things up. Yeah. So with the address, I checked the residential address. Once you are done, then you get this message. Congrats, you're all set. Yeah, so I've created my PayPal account in Ghana. There's the dashboard. Yeah, but on the dashboard, on the home page of the PayPal account that we just created, they will say confirm your email, link a bank account, and submit documents. So the next step is to confirm your email. So I'll go back to my Gmail and check out the confirm message. Because we are using Togo and they speak French, the message will come in French. So just confirm your email, then come back to your dashboard, and the part where they say confirm your email will be erased. So it's left with link a bank and submit your documents. So here you click on submit info to access your funds. Without submitting the documents, you can't receive payments or you won't have a fully active PayPal account. So just resolve that issue. Click on resolve and upload the front and back of your national identity card, or if you are using a passport, you upload the front and back of that particular ID. Yes. So once you submit it, once you upload the files and submit it, you are done. Yeah.